this is a quick video on what my kids take to school for their lunches, and it's every day it's the same thing. Maybe the vegetables are different. So right here I have a peanut butter sandwich, just peanut butter on whole wheat bread with seeds and stuff. Here I've got some raisins from the farmer's market, some dried mango, and some pepita seeds. And then here I've got a little salad going. There's some little small cucumbers underneath. Easy finger food, some bell pepper that I chop up. And I like getting the colored bell peppers. And this is a cauliflower that looks like a dinosaur, and they enjoy eating that. So that's my daughter. And then my son likes a full peanut butter and jelly sandwich here on whole wheat bread, and just raisins and some mango, dried mango, and then the same fruit. The same vegetables with tomatoes, bell pepper, and cauliflower. That's it. Thanks for watching.